There are. Where have they all come from as well?
And this one comes from Ikea, of course. There's a ladybird.
There is a ladybird as well.
Can I look at?
Yeah.
Who's you?
He's come from Farmer Christmas.
He's not good. He's a ladybird.
Yeah. Is he very bouncy? Wow.
He's a big ladybird to the left.
Wow, way.
There's more.
There's more presents.
This is a big present.
There's some huge presents. Oh, they're for Grandma and Grandad. I think they've got labels on, look. This is to Grandma and Grandad.
Oh,
These are for us.
Eh?
These are for us.
Hamish,
I think your Christmas bag.
look, what's this?
Oh yeah, I will tell you what, let's do presents
This
first.
is
then.
very big.
Look.
Look. The reindeer have had their foot better.
Let's see what's in this one.
It says, to Hamish, thank you for your letter. I've had a very busy night with the reindeers flying around the road delivering presents. Thank you very much for my biscuits and cherry brandy. They were delicious. And Rudolph loved his food too. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho, Farmer Christmas.
Very nice.
Wowee.
I wonder what that is. What do you think that is, Hamish?
What's this?
Have a look on the front and see if you can see. Turn it round.
Do you know what that is?
It's a kite.
It is a kite, that's right.
You open this now.
All right, flashes when you're videoing.
Oh, careful.